Hello guys, good day, good afternoon. It's too hot here. It's around 45 degrees. Too hot guys. We are doing this. This is some Lion ZRT 900 90-ton screen. So this screen is going to load a T-beam foundation. It's like this, T-beam foundation. I am going to erect that area. So he is loading it now. ZRT 900 by Zoom Lion, 90 tons RT crane. It's already lifted. The T-beam foundation is already lifted. Now the operator is hoisting up now. He is now swinging towards the trailer truck. RT Zoom Lion 90 tons capacity. He is now loading the T-beam concrete foundation. RT Zoom Lion 90 tons loading a T-beam foundation, precast concrete. It's already down in the trailer truck.